Let me ask you something real quick. You've got a job. You're earning money. Maybe you even got a raise this year. So why does it feel like you still have nothing left at the end of the month? Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. It's probably not your income. It's the traps. 5 invisible money traps that are silently draining your wallet every single month. And the worst part, most people in their 20s and 30s fall into all of them without even knowing it. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, why they're killing your wealth, and most importantly, what to do instead. Let's go. Lifestyle inflation, also known as lifestyle creep, and it is everywhere. Here's how it works. You land a new job, salary bump. You go from making $45,000 a year to $60,000. Amazing, right? But then you upgrade your apartment. You get a nicer car. You start eating out more. New iPhone, new clothes, new everything. And 6 months later, you're saving the exact same amount you were before. Zero. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up to match it, and you stay broke. The subscription trap. Quick question. Right now, without checking your bank account, can you tell me every subscription you're paying for this month? If you hesitated for even 1 second, you're in this trap. The average American in their 20s and 30s is spending between $200 and $400 every single month on subscriptions alone. That's up to $4,800 a year. Gone. Buying depreciating assets, especially a brand new car. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses 10 to 15% of its value. By year 5, over 60% gone. The average new car payment in America right now is over $730 a month. That's $8,760 a year on something that is literally becoming less valuable while you sleep. Rich people buy assets. Broke people buy liabilities disguised as status symbols. Ignoring compound interest early. Person A starts investing $300 a month at age 22. Person B waits until 35, also $300 a month. Same amount, same 10% return. At 65, Person A has $1.9 million. Person B, just under $680,000. Same money, 13 years earlier, $1.2 million more. Every single year you wait, you're giving away hundreds of thousands of dollars of future wealth. Keeping all your money in a traditional savings account. Your bank savings account pays you 0.5% interest. Inflation is running at 3 to 5% per year. That means your money is losing purchasing power every single year it sits there. $20,000 in savings at 0.5% over 10 years equals $21,000. But inflation means that $21,000 buys less than your original $20,000 did. You literally got poorer by trying to be safe. Let's recap the 5 money traps keeping you broke. 1. Lifestyle inflation. Save 50% of every raise first. 2. Subscription trap. Audit and cancel unused subscriptions. 3. Depreciating assets. Buy used. Invest the difference. 4. Ignoring compound interest. Start investing today. 5. Savings account trap. Put your money to work. Drop a comment. Which trap are you currently in? I read every single one. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money.